good votes, or were there any sore losers?
There's only 4 of us, so there couldn't be that big of a
Okay,
loss.
good. Good cooperation?
Did you ever split your votes, 2 and 2?
Oh, yes. We did once, but then Andrew's mom, which is the team advisor,
Broke it.
our advisor broke it.
By voting?
Yes. Yes.
That's gotta be a violation.
You better not say that.
Okay. So, tell us about your successes and your failures.
This was a very big success.
What is this?
Well, our advisor gave it the name of the crane plane, since it kind of looks like one. We kind of thought this of like 2/3 of the way through, but then since all these complicated angles, I kind of gave up on the design, and then at 3/4 of the way through, I kind of thought, because since all of our airplanes wasn't working that well, so then I decided to make one of these, and I had to scale it up, so that's kind of hard.
So, tell us about scaling up from model to competition.
Well, first we'd have to measure all these angles, so like this was like 50, something around like 51 millimeters, this was like 10 millimeters, and since I wanted to fit ping pong balls inside this tube, and since ping pong balls are 40 millimeters in diameter, since this was already 10, I decided to measure everything up by 4. So then if this was like, let's say 51 millimeters, I did say 51 times 4, which would be 204 millimeters. And then I draw that out onto a piece of poster board. And then I write down all these angles. And then I cut it out either with a knife or the bandsaw. And then I would find out this angle with a protractor, and then I'd stick them together with hot glue to keep the angles to keep it at the right angle, and then put glue tape over that.
And how would you scale that up to full size?